Breaking update coming in of Indian cricketer Mohammad Shami and his brother Mohammad Kaif have now been summoned by the EC for SIR hearing, according to sources. As far as the names of Shami and his brother surfaced on the hearing list owing to complications in the enumeration form, and this issue relates to discrepancies in the progeny mapping and self-mapping. However, sources add that Shami will be given another date as he's out of town for the tournament at the moment. Rajesh connected with us. Rajesh, what is this hearing all about as far as summoned by the EC for SIR hearing? Rajesh, if you can unmute yourself, we can hear you. All right, just getting connected with Rajesh on this development. As far as Mohammad Shami there not being available and unable to appear on the scheduled date as he is currently representing the Bengal team and the Vijay Hazare Trophy that is being played. But right now, as far as these summons are concerned, another date would be given to the Indian fast bowler Mohammad Shami and his brother Mohammad Kaif for a hearing under the special intensive revision process, which began on the 16th of December. Well, Rajesh, what are the certain discrepancies being pointed out over this hearing that the EC has summoned the brothers?
Yes, in the second stage of SIR, after TMC MP and TMC MLA, now cricketers have been summoned. We have seen famous cricketer Mohammad Shami has been summoned by Election Commission for SIR hearing. Not only Mohammad Shami, also his brother Mohammad Kaif has also been summoned by Election Commission for SIR hearing. And it is being said from the Election Commission that for incomplete documents during the SIR process, both the brother have been summoned by Election Commission for the hearing. However, sources in Mohammad Shami's office has claimed that they have not received any document, any notice so far. But sources in Election Commission has confirmed that he has been summoned. Mohammad Shami and his brother Mohammad Kaif have been summoned for SIR hearing.
So but another date would be issued as far as the cricketer not being available at the moment to make an appearance before the agency. For the moment, thank you very much, Rajesh, for joining in. Let's move on.